Hey everyone, McKenna Benny here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and welcome to our newest home for sale. 108 Powell Road has so much to offer, and let's get jumping through this property. With 3 beautifully appointed bedrooms with large corner windows letting in all that natural light, and that 5-piece bathroom all on your main level. As a mom, there's nothing that I love more than a kitchen that overlooks your backyard. Now picture yourself in here prepping dinner while watching the kids play in that huge backyard. With 8-car parking, 2 driveways, and R2 zoning, this property has so much to offer. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of this tour. If you're looking for more awesome home tours just like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for your own private tour, call the number above. We'd be more than happy to help you with that. Thanks so much. We'll see you at 108 Powell very soon.